Hey tubers, it's Fix It with Biscuit here, and I want to show you this new product that I come across. They're called Markal welding pencils. I would say already messing with them, they're way better than soapstone. I like them better than the Sharpie already. Haven't used them all that much, but I can tell they're going to be much better. So here is what it looks like. Marking it with there, and then here is a Sharpie, which that Sharpie shows up really well, and they both don't wipe off. But let's add a little bit of oil to it, like you just cut a piece of metal and it's got oil all over it. So of course you want to try to wipe off that oil the best as possible, but we all know that there's oil under there. So we mark that with the marker, and then let's mark it again with the pencil, and marker's coming off pretty alright. Pencil, yeah, they come off pretty close to being the same, really. But here's the thing, and this is, of course this is a permanent marker. And this is a type of a pencil, oil and stuff like that. The thing is every time I'm using these with the oil that I use at my shop, with cutting fluid and stuff like that, and lots of bits of little metal and, all kinds of grit, they quit working. I mean, this is a brand spanking new one, and I guarantee you a few more times of oil on it, and it's going to quit working. This one here, it's going to mark over and over and over and over. And yeah, sure, if you rub hard enough, I can rub them both off. But here's the thing. Supposedly with these, when you mark them and you're using a cutting torch or whatever, this line gets real bright to where you can see it a lot better with a plasma cutter or a cutting torch or whatever. Don't know that for sure. Gonna test it out. But I can already tell you that I can see this very well. Let's just go crazy ham with the oil and try the marker. I know this is a crazy test, but let's try it. Just ruin this marker for sure. Nothing, okay? Oil all over it, whatever. Let's try the pencil. Yeah. It's getting right in there. If we come closer, you can see that it's marking right straight through that oil. You can see that. Yeah, of course I wiped it off with the oil, but I mean it marked through the oil, and let's see. Oh, dang it. That marker quit working already. Knew that was going to happen. I mean, yes, of course, I put a lot in it, and no, let's try over here. No. Let's try to get some of that out of there. Still, nothing. And you can tell that this was a brand new marker. You've seen it. That right there sells me on these. They were like, I think it was like $13 for 12 of them. I don't exactly remember. I bought them off Amazon. If you're doing a lot of cutting and stuff like that needs with oil or dirty metal, I think that those are going to be pretty awesome. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned.